Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. This round we have the Creative Stage Air version 2. It is actually a speaker that is designed to be placed under monitor, a USB soundbar with Bluetooth 5.3 feature. In my next video I'm going to talk a little bit about Bluetooth 5.3. Now let's unbox this baby. So before that, let's take a look at the box. We have USB audio, Bluetooth 5.3, aux-in connection, 6 hours of playback, 20 watts peak power, and a powerful bass. So basically this is a 2.0 speaker without the subwoofer. Then over here, so these are different sides of the box, different languages. Unbox this.
NANI?!
Wow. The size is really good, perfect for under the monitor. How sleek it is. Wow! Okay, connection is simple, USB Type-C and an aux connection, line-in connection. A simple and beautiful soundbar. So in here we have the user manual, warranty card, different languages, warranty card, a USB Type-C cable, and an aux cable. Okay, that's all. It's very simple and straightforward. Just one piece of soundbar, perfect size for under monitor, USB Type-C, and aux cable. Warranty card about Creative, I believe this is like a safety card, and this is the user quick start guide or the user manual. Okay, in my next video I'm gonna explain a little bit about my experience of this speaker, and I'm gonna talk to you about the Bluetooth 5.3 features, because Bluetooth 5.3 is actually the latest Bluetooth version as at today. So thanks guys for watching my unboxing video. Now I'm gonna go charge this baby.